Did you know that Seoul, the vibrant capital of South Korea, has a river that runs right through its heart, pulsating with stories of centuries gone by? You've just stumbled upon your passport to Seoul, a city that beckons with promises of immersing you in a tapestry of traditions, stories, and modern marvels. From the graceful whispers of ancient temples to the electrifying rhythm of K-pop beats, our journey is set to unravel the vibrant layers of Seoul's cultural landscape. 안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome to Savor the World, where every journey is a story. Our channel is your gateway to endless possibilities and unforgettable moments. Buckle up and prepare to join us on an expedition to uncover the 10 most exquisite havens for culture lovers in the bustling heart of South Korea. Let's jump into this whirlwind of colors, flavors, and experiences that Seoul has woven for us. 시작해봅시다! Gyeongbokgung Palace. Let's start with a bang at Gyeongbokgung Palace. This iconic palace whisks you back in time to the Joseon dynasty. Imagine strolling through grand courtyards, admiring traditional architecture, and catching the changing of the guard ceremony. Don't forget to rent a hanbok for that perfect cultural immersion selfie. Bukchon Hanok Village. Speaking of traditional vibes, Bukchon Hanok Village is a must-visit. Nestled between modern buildings, this village showcases the charm of Hanok, traditional Korean houses. Wander its narrow alleys, snap photos, and maybe even pop into a cozy tea house for some relaxation. Insadong. Ready for some artsy vibes? Insadong is your go-to spot for all things creative. This cultural hub is lined with galleries, boutiques, and street food stalls. Bring home exquisite ceramics, traditional paintings, or unique souvenirs that reflect Korea's artistic heritage. National Museum of Korea. Curious about Korea's history? The National Museum is your treasure trove. It houses an extensive collection of artifacts, from ancient relics to modern artworks. Spend hours exploring the exhibits, and you leave with a deeper understanding of Korea's cultural evolution. Jogyesa Temple. For a tranquil escape, Jogyesa Temple is the place to be. This serene Buddhist temple offers a glimpse into spiritual life in the midst of the bustling city. Join a temple, stay programmed for a truly immersive experience. Namsangol Hanok Village. Another Hanok Village? You bet! Namsangol Hanok Village is like a time capsule of 5 centuries, featuring 5 beautifully restored traditional houses and a picturesque garden. It's like stepping into a saguk historical drama scene. Changdeokgung Palace. Prepare to be wowed by Changdeokgung Palace's stunning secret garden, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This palace complex boasts unique architecture and a lush garden that'll leave you in awe. Korean Folk Village. Want to witness traditional life in action? The Korean Folk Village delivers. It's an open-air museum that recreates traditional village with live performances, workshops, and even a chance to try on period costumes. Dongdaemun Design Plaza, DDP. Modern meets culture at DDP. This futuristic landmark hosts art exhibitions, fashion shows, and design markets. Whether you're into contemporary art or cutting-edge fashion, DDP has you covered. Gwangjang Market. Time to satisfy your taste buds. Gwangjang Market is a food lover's haven. Feast on a variety of street food. From savory bindaetok mung bean cakes to spicy tteokbokki, it's a culinary journey you won't forget. Bonus section. Embracing the K-pop and K-drama fever in Seoul. K-pop culture aficionados, if you're also a fan of K-pop and K-dramas, Seoul has got you covered with experiences that'll make your heart race. Here's your guide to diving into the dazzling world of Korean entertainment. K-Star Road. Get ready to spot your favorite K-pop idols in the most unexpected places. K-Star Road in Gangnam features adorable bear sculptures adorned with signatures and messages from various idol groups. Who knows, you might stumble upon a hidden treasure while strolling down this colorful path. SM Town at COEX Atrium. Calling all SM entertainment fans! The COEX Atrium is a haven for K-pop enthusiasts. Step into SM Town, an interactive space that showcases memorabilia, holograms, and even offers a virtual reality experience of meeting your favorite idols. K-drama filming locations: Namsan Seoul Tower. Remember those iconic scenes from your favorite K-dramas? Well, some of them were filmed at Namsan Seoul Tower. Besides being a romantic hotspot, the tower offers breathtaking city views, making it a must-visit for both drama lovers and view seekers. Myeongdong Shopping Street, K-beauty, and more. Ever wondered where K-drama stars get their flawless skin? Myeongdong Shopping Street is a paradise for K-beauty products. From skincare to makeup, you'll find everything you need to achieve that radiant K-drama glow. MBC World. Step into the drama. Ever wish you could step into the world of your favorite K-dramas? At MBC World, that dream becomes a reality. This multimedia theme park lets you interact with sets, try on costumes, and even star in your very own drama scene. Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Fashion meets K-drama. DDP isn't just about design. It's also a place where K-dramas come to life. The futuristic architecture has made appearances in numerous dramas. While you're there, why not channel your inner drama lead and strike a pose? Hallyu experience at K-Star Road. Still craving more Hallyu content? K-Star Road isn't just about mere sculptures. You'll find K-pop shops, themed cafes, and even dance studios where you can learn those iconic moves. SM Town Museum. If you can't get enough of the K-pop scene, head to the SM Town Museum. This immersive space offers a glimpse into the lives of SM entertainment artists, complete with costumes, props, and interactive exhibits. And there you have it, fellow adventurers! Our whirlwind journey through the vibrant tapestry of Seoul's cultural wonders has come to a close. But fear not, for the memories we've gathered are bound to stay with us forever. From the echoes of ancient palaces to the modern beats of K-pop, Seoul has whispered its tales and sung its songs to us, leaving us enchanted and enriched. So, as you bid farewell to this captivating city, remember that the spirit of Seoul will forever remain a part of you. Whether it's the colors of traditional hanboks or the echoes of bustling markets, these experiences have etched their mark on your journey. As your journey onward, carry with you the vibrant energy, the deep-rooted traditions, and the dynamic pulse of Seoul. Until we meet again in another corner of the world, keep exploring, keep embracing, and keep savoring the beauty that diverse cultures have to offer. Safe travels, and may your next adventure be as enriching as the one we've shared in Seoul.